Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to use AG auto clicker on any tab coin. This is the best auto clicker which I have ever used. Now I will show you everything you need to know. Now open it. Here inside I will show you the basic thing which you need to know, and also if you want to use this app to the fullest, you must subscribe to his premium version. The premium version is one-time payment. Now in order to use it, now click on this script. Now click on create now. Here select the script you want to use. Select it like this by clicking on it and then click on start. Now as you can see, each icon here has its own feature. You see it. Now this one is to add up your tapping icon. Here I'm going to use the Booms coin as an example. Now let's go to the Broom coin. Now open the Broom coin like this. Now inside the Broom coin, here on the tab section, now see how to use this app here. Now drag it to the tap icon, drag it like this. You see it. Now click on display. You see it. As you can see, it is tapping it. Instead of me using my hand to tap it, it will tap it on its own. Also you can stop it by clicking this pause icon here. You will stop it. And also you can remove the auto clicker icon by clicking here. All of them will remove. You can add it up again by clicking here. You can reduce this by clicking this minus. You can also minimize it by clicking here. See it, and then click on play. You see it. You can also remove it by clicking here. All of them will be removed. You see it. That's how to use AG auto clicker on Boom. Or you can apply this on any other coin which involves tapping. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss out on my new AI tool and tech related guide like this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.